Hi guys, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all of you who are new here. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell and leave me a thumb up if you liked my video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a Christmas wreath. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay with me till the end. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet your wreath cover and also how to make some bells. For the rest of the decoration I'm going to leave you the link for each of those tutorials, so don't forget to check this out. Now let's see what we need. Okay, so to make this Christmas wreath you are going to need a foam ring. You are going to need decorations that we've made together. And for the wreath I'm going to use this yarn here. It's dark brown. I'm going to work this in with 2 strands, and for this I'm going to use my 6mm crochet hook. And then I'm also going to show you in today's tutorial how to crochet Christmas bell, jingle bells. So for this I'm going to use category 3 yarn in cream and red, and for this I'm going to use a 3mm hook. Then you are also going to need a pair of scissors and yarn needle. Okay, so let me clear this off and let's get started. Okay, so to make the wreath cover I've chained a total of 18, and so you want to make sure that the chain that you are making goes around your wreath like so that you can, once you have the length that you need, you can easily sew this cover on the back side of the wreath. So my wreath measures 30 centimeters. And now we are just going to make 1 single crochet in each chain and work all the length that you need in single crochet rows. Okay, so I'm going to work all these rows off camera and then I'll meet you back to tell you how many rows I've made. Okay, so I have now my rectangle done. I've made in total 74 rows of single crochet. So now you want to make sure that the rectangle goes around your foam wreath like so. And now what you need to do is work 1 row of single crochets all around your rectangle. So I've already chained 1. Now I'm going to go in this first row here and make a single crochet, and then in the next row single crochet, and in the next single crochet. So work all around your rectangle, and then once you have this done, chain 1 and cut your yarn, leave a long tail and sew this on the back side. So you are going to put your rectangle like so, and then sew your sides together and also here, and then meet me back once you have all of this done. Okay, so I have all my wreath wrapped up and I've placed my decoration the way I want to sew it on. Now if you have a hot glue gun, you can glue all your decoration down. but I am going to sew them into place. So I'm going to do this off camera, and then I'll meet you back to show you how to make the bells and how to attach them. Okay, now to make the bells, I've already made one. I forgot to mention that you are also going to need a bead or something to put inside of your bell. Now let me show you how to crochet this one. So take your yarn and your 3mm crocheting hook, make a magic ring, pull up a loop, chain 1 to secure your work, and inside of the loop you are going to single crochet 6. Pull at your shorter tail to close your magic ring and take a stitch marker or yarn scrap to use as a stitch marker. And now the next round is going to be a increase round, and we are going to increase each stitch around. So you are going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch. At the end of the round you are going to have a total of 12 single crochets. Now we are going to increase one more round, and we are going to single crochet in the first stitch and 1 increase in the next stitch, and this is going to be your repeat till the end of the round. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. At the end of the round you are going to have a total of 12 stitches. If you want your bell to be wider, larger, you need to make more increase rows, but for me it's okay like this. So now we are going to single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 6 rounds. So go ahead and make a total of 6 rounds, no increases, working only your 18 stitches. And also here you can customize your bell. So if you've worked 4 increase rows rounds, so go ahead and make 8 single crochet rounds, or if you made like 5 increase rounds, go ahead and make 10 single crochet rounds. Okay, now for the next round we are going to create this section here. So go ahead and make 1 increase in each stitch around. So we are going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. Now the last round, it's going to be 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So no increases, only single crochet your stitches. At the end of the round, now you can take this off, slip stitch to your next stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now go ahead and weave in those loose ends. Okay, now to attach your bead, I've already threaded my needle. Now I'm going to go from up down inside of the bell and then go through the bead. So I didn't cut my yarn. I'm gonna use this later on to make a chain. And now go up so I want my bead to be like so, a little bit longer as the bell. Now I'm going to tie a knot right here. and hide this in. Okay, now you can put this on the side for a moment. Now we are going to create this little bow. Okay, now take your color B, make a slip knot, and then go ahead and chain 12. So go ahead and chain a total of 41. Now we are going to slip stitch in each chain till the end. So skip your first one, in the second one make your slip stitch, and then in the next slip stitch, and work like this till the end of the chain. And once you have this done, go ahead, chain 1, cut your yarn and weave in all of your loose ends. Okay, and now the right side of the work is facing you. You are going to fold like so. So that looks like a little bow, and here I have a piece of yarn. I'm going to go around this portion here and wrap. Make sure to pull tie. Like so. And now on the back of the bow you are going to tie a knot. And give a little nice pull. Now take your needle and you are going to sew your bow up here if you like, or you can sew it down here, so it's up to you. You can go around your bow like this. Okay, so I'm going to finish this off camera. Okay, and the bells are now done. Now take your 3mm crocheting hook and start chaining. So go somewhere inside of your magic ring around your stitch and start chaining. So I've chained a total of 12. Now I'm going to take my wreath and just single crochet around the stitch like so. And now you can decide if you want to have your bells to be both to have the same length, or you want this bell to be shorter or longer. Now it's up to you. You are going to chain again what you want. Okay, so I chained a total of 16. Now go ahead and cut the yarn and pull through. Okay, now take your needle and your other ball, and you are now going to secure the chain onto your ball with a few stitches, just like so. Okay, and now it's all attached. This is it. I am now at the end of my tutorial. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you liked this tutorial and you had fun. And in the meanwhile, I wish you all good luck and happy crocheting. Bye bye. Okay, and now to be able to attach your ring, you are just going to make right here, reattach your yarn and make a long chain, and then bring it back here and secure it at the same spot. So my lovelies, I'm at the end of my tutorial. Thank you all for joining me today and for watching. I wish you all good luck, have fun and happy crocheting. Till next time, bye bye.